In this 2026 Honest Review, I'm diving deep into Scenario AI, from its new Node agent and P-Video avatar to Cdance 2.0 and Tripo P1. Let's see if it's worth your time and money. Scenario AI in 2026 is a powerhouse all-in-one platform covering images, video, audio, 3D textures, and even skyboxes. Another major plus is training your own AI models on Flux or Qwen for perfect style consistency, plus the Scenario Workflows canvas, where you connect nodes end-to-end. The Node agent builds workflows just by describing what you want. That's huge for non-technical users. On the negative side, with so many models and tools, the learning curve is steep for beginners, despite the Ask Anything assistant. There are 4 pricing tiers for an AI service. Starter at $10 per month, billed annually, offering 1,500 credits with essential tools like standard compute, core model access, private generations, API, community support, and 50 GB storage. Pro at $30 per month with 5,000 credits including everything in Starter, plus 10% compute discount, advanced AI tools such as retouch and remove background, model upload and training, priority queue, ticket support, 500 GB storage, and unlimited asset history. Max at $50 per month, providing 10,000 credits with all Pro features, plus 20% discount. Workspace for up to 25 users, multi-user access, team collaboration, high-priority support, and 1 TB storage. And Enterprise at $125 per month per user, designed for larger teams with custom compute, 30% discount, flexible commitments, enterprise-grade security, white glove support, and 10 TB storage, plus advanced add-ons. Thanks for watching, my dear.